What's the agenda for today, Sarah? Oh, vote for Team Rallison on Dancing with the Stars? Okay. Woo! Riker! Yeah! Woo! Team Rallison! Woo! Look, guys, it's my brother Rooster. Ironically, the Annie movie comes out on DVD and Blu-ray today. Happy St. Patrick's Day. This is really one of the most hipsterish places you can get. I feel like I don't fit in here. There's a peanut at the end of my tongue. Oh, I almost fell off. This is legit. We are swinging. I'm that one Asian who has their backpack on them. That's me. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. This is really uncomfortable with the backpack on. I'm gonna take it off. Won't you swing with me? I will. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. That's happening. Oh my gosh.
Stop.
Okay, go.
Oh
No, I'm just kidding.
no! Oh my gosh!
Right now.
Okay.
Dude, no. Thank you.
Ta-da!
Nailed it.
Like frisbee.
What?
Oh. Ready?
Oh! Do it again. Oh. Oh my gosh. Yay! Do 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 do. Hangman's Tree. So that's the entrance to his hiding place. Name that movie. I almost fell. I almost fell. So you guys remember that one video on my main channel that's called The Truth About My Age? Well, this is the ride that we went on that happened in. This is it! Woo! Just got off of Accelerator and it was cool, it was fun. I haven't been in a while, so that was very interesting. They took the picture and I was planning on smiling or doing something like woo! But it went a little too fast, so my face ended up looking like this. Oh, we just got lower because we're fat. She's not paying attention. Vlogception. Oh no. It's so loud. It's cold. It's cold. Giant drama. I just realized it took a camera. It took a picture of us and the camera. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so funny, dude. Vlogger problems right here. Oh my gosh. There's like Fantas and Cokes and Sprites in there. We're over here going for the Diet Snapples.
I'll go for
Trying to do swim day again. How do you feel?
How do I feel? I feel excited. I need to work out.
Same. So guys, I'm in a public swim community pool kind of shower area, bathroom thing. And I'm gonna show you how to dry your hair without using an actual hair dryer. Step 1, brush your hair out. and use whatever you need to do before you prep for hair drying. Step 2, find a hand dryer like so. Step 3, turn it on. Step 4, stick your head under it. And make sure it keeps going. No, keep going. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? And continue until all hair is dry. Back at that one boba place, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, go back to Hannah and Rachel's vlogs. Yay! It's like Yogaland, but boba style. This is like my version of a Neapolitan, but in boba form. So there's chocolate pudding, strawberries and cream, slushiness, and almond and milk tea with boba, of course. And let's see how it is. Delicious! Micah, if you're watching this, for some reason this girl right here reminds me of that girl group, K-pop girl group who sings Happiness. I don't remember what they're called, but thumbs up if you agree. I don't know, just send me something to, I don't know. I see this and I want to go, happiness! I don't know. Yeah.
Because it's super important to network with people and to get the word out. And how much of a better way to spread the gospel and spread the love of God and spread about these events than social media, right?
So I just finished filming a video and my soup, and I'm gonna end this week's vlog right here. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my main channel and follow me on social media. They're all in the description below. I don't know why I'm singing. My voice isn't even warmed up. And I gotta finish homework. So bye.